Yeah, that's what it is. I mean, it's like I don't really know like what would happen if somebody did come try to like somebody did try to come here and kidnap me, right? Would the neighbors help me or would they just sit there and watch? Because it's gotten to the point where I've been here for so long that people are like have become normalized for me in this area, and especially the family I'm living with, and I just don't know. Like I get so it's kind of I'm at that point where that's how I'm feeling. It's not good.
Dumating ang October 17, 2024. Makikita sa huling vlog ni Elliot ang mukha niya na tila malalim ang iniisip. Sa pagkakakwento ni Carisha, 2 oras